मैं तेरे से प्यासी हूँ, yeah. And then in the male voice, oh, एक सौदा रात का, एक कौड़ी चांद की, चाहे तो चूम ले एक थोड़ी चांद की. Then I did Big Boss, which was, you can't, there is no script. There is no makeup sometimes. That time though we didn't even get clothes on the weekends. Nowadays they look like they have help coming. My parents, I'm telling you, are very chilled out. They are okay with everything. He's also nice. They're also fun. They got along.
Today we are joined by a very special guest. To be honest, special doesn't really cut it for our guest of honor. She's an icon, she's a force to reckon with, and she is the moment. I am so excited to introduce Rani Kohinoor to Midday.com. Hi Rani. Let's start right at the beginning. Can you take us through this whole journey of yours to this point?
Wow. It's been a while. It's been a while that I've been around, and when somebody asks me this, it just makes me realize that it's been so long. This is my 18th year. So for me, I used to look at people like Achint Kaur was there. Then there used to be people like Nikki Walia, Neja. They used to be such big stars, and then they were like, they had this personality about Mandira Bedi.
Oh my gosh, yes.
What a woman.
Yeah.
So there were people, but I never saw somebody like me. I never saw somebody like me doing serious stuff, presenting art. मेरे कम्युनिटी समुदाय से मैंने किसी ट्रांस व्यक्ति को देखा नहीं था जो कलाकारी की प्रस्तुत इतने मतलब एक अच्छे तरह से कर रहा है. I saw people that were being made fun of, that were not doing serious roles, and I felt bad about it, but I also wanted to do something about it. It is me. It's my hard work. I'm not taking it away. I'm claiming it. But it is जो मेरी जनता है, जो मेरे लोग हैं ना, उन्होंने मुझे बनाया है. And every time they'll ask me now, like, oh my God, is this you or your PR team that's replying to the messages? It's me. So many of my friends who are actors will be like, you've been around for so long. You know what? Even if you buy followers, it'll look like they're genuine. And I'm like, but I will know that I bought followers. So how am I going to sleep well at night knowing that, I bought followers? Like, anyway, so that's that. And I realized that I've come such a long way only because people have been kind to me. My audiences have been kind to me. Of course, there will be people जो troll भी करते हैं. There's that aspect also. But you also have to understand that that section of people are the ones that it's not like they're not aware. They're aware, but they're ignorant. These are also people that will probably look at our pictures, our sexy pictures, and do what they have to do. Pleasure themselves. Sometimes they don't even have a, if you ask them, क्या हो गया? भैया क्या हो गया? So they don't know. They don't know what to say. Like if somebody says something to me, somebody says, अबे छक्के, हाँ क्या हो गया? बोलो ना. They don't know what to say.
Yeah.
And I'm like, exactly. So what else? You don't tell me what I am. I know what I am. Yeah. That's very weak. That would have hurt somebody in the 90s. Today you have us in politics, in education, in healthcare, in the arts, and representing our country internationally several times over. Speaking the way we speak in multiple languages.
Yes.
Sitting with our dignity and our integrity and our pallu in its place. So it's not like, and we can also wear like a mini skirt, but that doesn't mean you objectify us. Let's get there. From the start where we were supposed to start my journey, I have always been this vice. That would be like, listen, this is what it is. And if you like it, you take it. If you don't like it, keep the moving. I want to just tell every kid, because there have been so many queer related suicides, and I just think it's a very serious topic. And I just want to take a moment and just look straight dead in the camera and tell you that you are not alone. Please don't believe that you're alone. And I think that let people talk. They're going to talk anyway. They're going to talk whether you're successful, whether you're not, whether you're rich, whether you're not, whether you're their friend, whether you're not, whether they know you or they don't. So लोग तो कहेंगे ही कहेंगे, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. बट आपको ये बात समझनी है कि आपको मस्त है रहना. Well, I wanted to give a tribute. जो हमारी रानियाँ थी, whether it was Rani Lakshmi Bai or whether it was Razia Sultan, like the South Asian invasion, as they say, the glory of our queens. There were so many, or whether it was Kashi Bai, whether it was Mastani, whether it was so many queens that we had, right? हमारी इतनी सारी रानियाँ थी, and I was like, how do I give a tribute to the queen within every woman or every trans person that has the divine feminine and celebrates it. अब मेरे में जो रानी है, मैं कैसे दिखाऊं लोगों को, और मैं अगर कोई भी दूसरा नाम लूं rather than Rani and other than Rani, it would not do justice to all the queens that I want to give tribute to. So recently I gave a tribute to Rekha ji.
Oh my gosh.
Again.
Yes.
Because I will keep giving her a tribute every now and then in my life.
Legend.
An icon, the moment. So I was like, how do I refer to her as? A queen.
Yeah.
A Rani.
Yeah.
So a Rani giving another Rani a tribute sounds perfect. So how do I connect with my audience and make them realize also that they are also queens as much as you and I?
Yeah.
So it's like everybody is valid, everybody's queenhood is valid, and I wanted to just say that आप भी रानी हो, मैं भी रानी हूँ, ऐसे. So I wanted to kind of connect on that level. And Kohinoor, obviously, because I have a point to make that अंग्रेज एक कोहिनूर लेके गए, बट जो मेन कोहिनूर है वो तो यहीं पे है, या अब चाहे वो कमीला पहने, जो भी पहने, कौन अभी पहन रहा है वो वाला कोहिनूर, तो अब वो तो जिसके सर पे होना चाहिए था, it's very controversial. What do you mean I woke up like this? I woke up like this. It's a team effort. I can joke about it, but it's my team. They take such good care of me. I take such good care of them, and I think it's just become a family. And something someone will say about me or something, I might not see it on the day, but then they get more offended than me, for me. They're like, how dare she speak like this? Beautiful. I'm very comfortable with myself in and out of makeup, and there are so many times I've done Big Boss, darling.
Yeah.
So we can't put makeup all the time. I was much younger, but exactly 10 years younger. But you could not sleep and wake up with makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started my career with, like on television with reality TV, and then Big Switch, then Atyachar Ka Panchnama, which I was hosting. Then I did 2-3 more shows on Bindas, and then I did Big Boss, which was, there is no script. There is no makeup sometimes. That time though we didn't even get clothes on the weekends. Nowadays they look like they have help coming.
Boss thing, na? Yeah.
What the hell? I was like, listen, हम लोग अपना खुद का ही देखते थे. I want to ask this, and I have a lot of friends that have gone even in these seasons, but I've not got the time to ask them. But I do think वो लोग ना कोर्स करते हैं.
हाँ.
अपना मेकअप कैसे करना है, अपना हेयर कैसे करना है. मुझे लगता है ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, वरना ना. I don't think so. I have my doubts because हम तो खुद को देख के डर जाते थे. हमको लड़ाई करने की एक्चुअली जरूरत नहीं थी ये बिग बॉस में, We used to wake up in the morning and be like, God, and then we used to realize it's ourselves. I thought it was fun. I'm glad I did it when I was younger. I just think that now if I go, I was asked a couple of times actually, and in different, the main, then the OTT, Marathi. But I just think my tolerance level to bullshit has reduced.
Yeah.
So I don't care much whether I win or I don't win anymore. But if you're playing the game well and if you're not getting but it gets too mucky.
Yeah.
it's too much of an investment spiritually, emotionally, physically to hai because you're physically there.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know whether I'm ready to do it right now. Certain people have been done very badly on the show that are very senior actors
Yeah.
or senior, not even senior. There are people, the younger ones also, that have gone and they've had a very bad edit.
Yeah.
I'm
Edit is
sorry,
a
I'm just
real
going to call
thing.
it out. I'm not going to mince my words and feel like, oh my god, they won't give me work ever. I just think the creatives have to do better. I loved it. It started like me, like this, with the spotlight and then the golden outfit. तू नील समंदर है, तू नील समंदर है, मैं रेत का साहिल हूँ, मैं रेत का साहिल हूँ, आगोश में ले ले, मैं देर से प्यासी हूँ, yeah. And then in the male voice, हो एक सौदा रात का, एक कोड़ी चांद की, चाहे तो चूम ले एक थोड़ी चांद की, एक सौदा रात का, एक कोड़ी चांद की, चाहे तो चूम ले तू थोड़ी चांद की, एक चांद की कश्ती में चल पार उतरना है, तू हल्के हल्के के ना दरिया ना चल के, मैया मैया गुलाबी तारे चुन ले सारे चुन, मैया मैया कि जिस्म के पर्द में दर्द के मारे चुन ले, मैया मैया गुलाबी तारे चुन ले सारे चुन, मैया मैया कि जिस्म के पर्द में दर्द के मारे चुन ले. Not just Usha ma, Sunidhi ma'am, Sona Mohapatra ma'am, Richa Sharma ma'am, they are all voices that are very strong voices. There are multiple types of voices, not one is not correct and one is not wrong, aisa nahi hai. But even when Asha ji used to sing, for example, Geeta Dutt used to sing, they had very powerful voices also. But Asha ji would also sing a Salona Sa Sajan. Asha ji would also sing a, you know, दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए, but would also sing something like a, ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना, कितना मुश्किल है तौबा इसको समझाना, कि धीरे धीरे दिल, so you know, and then also आइए मेहरबान. So it used to be all those, you know, those type of songs that she sung also. And I used to just look, you know, Piya Tu Ab To Aaja, what a powerful song Asha ji has sung. But she's also sing Salona Sa Sajan hai aur main hoon na 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 na. You know, so you see the, so I just looked at them and learned. I just heard them and learned. Because बहुत लोगों के पास ना वो ये नहीं होता, resources नहीं होते, classes, पैसे नहीं होते, तो क्या हम नहीं सीखें? At the point what I wanted to learn, I did not have the money, I did not have the time, I had to make money, not spend it. I needed money to put on the table. I had to survive. So having done all of this, I realized that you can learn vicariously. You can learn by looking at other people. My parents, I'm telling you, are very chilled out. They are okay with everything. In terms of, they are like, you're happy. They'll ask me, you're happy? Bas, finished. There's no argument. He's also nice. They're also fun. They got along.
for.
Yes, it was, and it was a very important category. I would not have ever imagined कि मेरे community से किसी को invite करके उनको इतना औदा दे के उनको stage बुला के. I have seen Neha Dhupia win Miss India when I was 11, 10. So for me, her introducing me on stage, calling me on stage was just big enough. Then to have people like legendary people like Maushami Chatterjee, Vidya Balan, Divya Datta, Padmini Kolhapure ma'am, Meenakshi Sheshadri sitting there. Anil Kapoor sir
Yeah.
was there, and he is the producer technically of my first film. And I thanked him. And I said that, you know, it would, thank you for taking
Thank
a
you for
chance.
coming.
Thank you for coming. That was where I started. Na? मैंने सबको बोला thank you for coming. And everybody was like so nice and warm. And I think that as an industry, we are so misunderstood all the time. It was surreal for me. And I just thought that every artist must experience this, but also know that your hard work will only take you there, and the love from your fans. So don't take either for granted. I think every industry evolves. It keeps evolving. In the 90s, we were not doing much, honestly speaking. Our maybe one film in 10 years would be speaking about queer rights or transgender people in a good light.
Yeah.
Today you have much more happening.
Yeah.
Today you have many more people writing scripts. Today you have many actors who are trans. And I think that is, you can see it's changing. You and me can see that people are talking about this.
Yeah.
Yes, it's good, it's great for me to be here and see that there are so many trans people getting their due. I'm being called by the government to be felicitated
National Creators Award.
and
Yes.
you know, awarded. Not just this government or that government, but the fact that governing bodies are recognizing your work
Yeah.
for social change.
Yeah.
It doesn't show my political lineage or, you know, my political affiliations, nothing. It just means that your work is being celebrated on a national level, because I believe in good governance. When it comes to Mumbai, Mumbai has always been very accepting. You'll never see Mumbai people or Mumbai as a city disregarding or disrespecting somebody's hustle and saying don't enter or you are not supposed to come here. This is not for you. This is a border. इसके आगे नहीं आ सकते. Never. So I don't know what people keep saying that, you know. You see, if you change, अगर आपका नजरिया बदलो, नज़ारा बदलेगा. I can sit and say नहीं हो रहा, ये नहीं हो रहा हमारा, तो हमारी कम्युनिटी को दबाया जा रहा. ठीक है, बट वो तो औरतों को भी दबाया जाता है, कास्ट लेवल पे भी दबाया जाता है. There are so many intersections. So what are you doing? Ask questions to your policy makers. I to straight up ask.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.